Hey guys, we'll be starting soon, so type in the chat. Type in the chat so I know you're here. We'll be starting soon. Hey guys. Been a little while. Not really. It's been like 2 days. Solid. Welcome guys. Just give me 1 second just to share this. Okay, you guys ready? Let's start. Let me take this off and we'll start. I'm just making an announcement ping, but basically this is like the last announcement ping for streams. So if you guys are on the server, yeah, that's pretty much it. I just made an announcement so that basically from now on, I won't be pinging everybody. So, guys, oh, you're not supposed to see this, but whatever. Okay, I'll show you. I guess I'll show you now. Okay, I'm in a new location as well. So, but yeah, so basically, if you're in the Discord, which guys, make sure to join it if you are. But this is gonna be the last time I ping you guys about it. I just feel like it's kind of annoying getting like 2 or 3 pings a week. So I don't want to do that to you guys anymore. Anyway, type in the chat if you're here. I'll read out your name. So G Gamer, Stefan, Alfred. What's up, guys? Nick, Shrenyash. I'm sorry, man. Polar, Mr. Chaos, Dribsy, Rasmus, Papodom. What's up, man? Anybody else? H. Wait. Unnamed, Ayan, Huda, Forever, Tommy. What's up, guys? How's everyone doing? How we doing? Guys, like the stream, because this is the final one before the Discord pings go away. So we might have less people on future streams. Tarnation, what's up? Pixel Tochi, I don't know if I said hi to you, but what's up? How are you doing? Anyway, guys, let's start. I liked. Good job. I'm glad you liked. I'm glad you liked the video. It helps a lot, actually. And, guys, first link in the description. From now on, in probably like all of my videos until launch, will be the Monster Tribe Steam page. So, let's just do this all together. If you guys are, you know, if you guys have a Steam account and you're subscribed to the channel, or if you're watching this video, like this live stream, all you have to do, we just made it live a couple days ago. If you haven't watched the new devlog, watch the new devlog. But yeah, you type in Monster Tribe, or just go to the link in the description and wishlist, follow, and wishlist. I don't know if this is the same button or what the issue is, but yeah. Anyway, that's it. I gotta update these screenshots. They're very, very ugly. I actually just redid the font, so I'll show you guys that now. But I actually just did the redo on the font. And I'm in the middle of changing some stuff around in the battle scene. It's gonna be changed again, but It's kind of like a middle ground. So right now I'm like changing the stuff that I want it to be like for the end result, but it's still kind of bootleg. How many wish lists you got? I actually haven't checked since the first day. I think on the first day we got 100 or something, and it's been like 5 days since. So I'll check after the stream. But it requires a lot of work to like sign into Steam and then enter my, you know, my whatever. But hey, Mashup Games. Did I miss anybody else? Bone Stamp, what's up, man? Combo Warrior, AV. You could create a new Steam gang role. Hold on, stream gang role on your server. Yep, that's what I did. I will make a role for it. I will make a role for it, but I don't know how to do that. So I'll have to get Nova when Nova is awake or around. I can ask him to do that because I didn't set up the other role things. My mods are so helpful. They're so helpful. But yes, I'm about to wishlist. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it so much. I actually found out from a friend that if you get... Also, can you guys hear the volume okay? Do you hear the music? Do you hear me? I don't have a Steam account. It's free, man. That's all I'm gonna say. It's free. Can I get it? Can you get what? Can you get what, sir? Best Mario game clips. What's up? How you doing? How you doing, man? Music a bit too loud? Okay, I'll turn it down. Hold on. Is that better? That should be better. Maybe. Okay. Anyway. I missed you guys. Yeah. Also, welcome new people in the Discord. Guys, join the Discord if you want to chat with me. I chat on there at least once a day. At the very minimum, once a day. So, yeah. Stream gang? Yeah. You guys will get a role soon. You guys will get a role for Stream Gang. And I notify Stream Gang, but I hate like at everybody. Like with over 400 people in the Discord, it's like because it warns you, right? I think if you have over like 30 people in your Discord server, it's like, whoa, hold on. Are you sure you want to do this? That's a lot of people. So now that we have 400 people, I'm very scared, you know? Very scared. I think the internet cut out and half the viewers just left. Nice. Okay, so yesterday I was working. I was running the auction house. If you guys don't know, I run an auction house on Fridays where people sell their art and stuff. So while I was running the auction house, I made this guy, and I feel like he's pretty good. I feel like the design is pretty clean. I won't lie. Like literally, guys, I just like if you guys don't know how I draw like 90% of my monsters is I take like a decent sized pixel brush and I just start drawing stuff, right? And I started drawing the silhouette, and I swear on my life, okay? Actually, I see a creature, like, holy damn, look at this. Big eyes. I actually don't know how to do this for real, but hold up. I see a creature here. Look at that. Beautiful. Anyway, it's not the best strategy in the world, but it works. You know, it works. Anyway, yeah, that's wow. Damn, wow. Anyway, so I swear on my life, I didn't change a single thing. I drew this silhouette and I just like started drawing stuff. I saw an exact vision. I was like, I see scales, I see a shark, and I see like a big ball, or like it was supposed to be a rock at first. It was supposed to be a rock on the top of its head, but I actually like this design better. This is kind of weird. It's like seaweed almost, like the skin of the shark kind of is like almost like as if it turns into like seaweed or something. I don't know, but it's like it's like encasing this orb in its head basically. So yeah, and then I made some fusions. So here's a fire one. I will read chat in a sec. I'm so sorry guys, I'm very behind. And then this one I really like. It's an air fusion, but it actually reminds me, I didn't even think about it until I like did the colors, but it reminds me of like Hooktail from Paper Mario, if you guys have played that. So yeah, I think it's cool, but I want to fix this up slightly. We are going to be doing some coding though today, more than likely. Honestly, is that all I have to do? Hold on. I just wanted to turn it into like 2 pieces. Maybe I could turn it into a 3rd piece. I don't know. Let's try it out. Let's see what happens. How's everyone's day going? I mean, this is pretty cool, I think. I think this is interesting. You know, it's like I don't really know what it is, but it's kind of cool. And then we will talk to chat. I miss you, chat. Okay. What about this? You like that? I like that, so I don't really care about you guys. Okay. If anybody has any questions, it is very hard to read the chat at this point in time. So if you have questions, please ping me so it comes up in orange. I won't be, you know, harassed if I see a bunch of orange pings. I like orange pings. How much is aseprite? I think it's like $10 or something. I actually don't know. I got it like a couple years ago. I have no idea. No idea, man. Guys, make sure to like the stream. I think this is the lowest viewer count we've ever gotten on a stream before. So if you care about my channel growth, please like the stream. I'd appreciate it. Let's go for 30, and then we go for 40. We gotta hit 100. 100 likes every stream. When to start game dev? Good question. As soon as you possibly can. I would say if you have a basic understanding of what video games are, then I think you can start game dev. I don't think it's super difficult. But again, I've probably answered this question like 10 times in the past 10 streams. So it's hard to think of unique answers. I would say, when to start game dev? Start it as soon as possible, because the sooner you start. Oh, where? You said where? Sorry, my chat's cut off. Okay. I can see your messages now, guys. My bad. It was like kind of cut off. If you guys can see that. Okay, my bad. Where to start game dev? On the internet, man. I would start with some YouTube tutorials. Figure out a basic, like, what language you want to go for. What kind of games do you want to make? Do you want to make 2D pixel art games? GameMaker, Unity, Godot are good ones for that. Construct too. Do you want to make 3D games? Unreal, Unity, even Godot. Actually, Godot seems pretty decent for that as well. So I think it really just depends. And then once you figure out what kind of games you want to make and look up a few tutorials, follow a few like all the way through, then I would highly recommend looking into taking a course, because courses are very they're very structured. So in a YouTube video, I think another game dev YouTuber actually just made a video about this, but so I won't go too in depth. I think it was Ponzi Pants actually. But basically, like, what was I gonna say? Yeah, I don't know. You get the idea. I feel like this is so generic. Oh yeah, just like structuring, what do you call it? Like courses over YouTube videos. It's like everything is just individual. So you could look up a bunch of different tutorials on like how to create an inventory system, how to do lighting, how to do blah, 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 blah. But if you do a course, you know, everything is just in one package, and you learn things like whoever's teaching you understands, how to teach. So they will kind of introduce you into the steps one by one, kind of from beginner to intermediate or whatever it is. But I do think the courses are very good. Like and subscribe now. Thanks, Polar. I appreciate it. Yeah, guys, if you are not subscribed, we're racing another YouTuber right now, trying to hit 10K before Goodgis, but his channel is kind of exploding. I think it's starting to die down. I think he had like a big video that exploded, but yeah, we're racing to 10K against Goodgis. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And yeah, like the video because it gets it to more people. I will sub to your sub button. Thanks, man. Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, let's actually do some work now. All we've done is this. Nice. Sorry, I think I missed some questions. Do you have gyms in this game? We have towers, which are kind of like the gyms, I guess. They're like challenges that you have to face. They're kind of a big story plot, but yeah, so technically, yes, we do. Does this game have gym? Yeah, just answer that. 10,000 per copy? Hold on, what's happening? What did Wait say? Maybe still at everyone on Discord for the viewer count? Yeah, I don't know, man. Like, it just, I don't know. Because they stream twice a week now. So, it's like a lot, you know? And, I mean, this is already an active chat. I think this is the least amount of people that we've had on a stream in the past, like, 6 months. Like, since we started streaming. Like, consistently. But we're still active. And I'm still, you know, I'm following. So, it's cool. If you want to do realistic 3D, you need to sell a piece of your soul. That's true. That is true. But actually, JGM, in one of my mods in the Discord, he's actually like popping off, man. He's popping off. His art is actually disgusting. So, congrats to him. Do you have legendaries? We do have legendaries, but none are created yet. But we will. I need to redesign this guy. I hate the way that I shaded this monster. So what I'm probably going to do is, not yet. I won't do it yet, but I'm probably just going to do that and redo this. Because I don't like it. There's a lot of pillow shading going on here. I'm not too big. Or maybe just this color needs to go and I redo this color. I don't know. And like connect this, but I don't want to do that right now. That's not the purpose of today. So let's not do that. Anyway, I hope you guys like the new monster. He's looking kind of nice. He's looking fresh. Also, I did put the other guys in the game. There was just one sprite that I forgot to change, but all the sprites are in the game. If you guys remember last stream on Thursday, we do streams Thursday and Saturday. If you missed Thursday, it was a fun stream, but yeah. So I put the new monsters in the game. I did it all by myself. I didn't need any help. Because I'm not the one that does that stuff. And yeah, I'm pretty bad at art. Where should I learn pixel art? Man, I think there's so many helpful videos out there. I created one. It's actually popping off right now. I think it's gaining like almost 1,000 views a day. But yeah, I actually just watched it over because I felt kind of weird about it. I was like, why is this video popping off? You know? And I watched it back and I was like, you know what? I think I actually I made some good points there. So I still recommend that video, but I would say, yeah, there's a lot of talented people. Mort, I don't think does content anymore, but he's been doing pixel art tutorials for a long time. And I think that they're good. I'm just going to bring up the battle scene so that, you guys can see what I want to change and what I want to do. Pixel Pete, obviously, he's just on last stream too. He's supposed to be redesigning one of the monsters, the sloth monster. We'll see if he does that. But yeah, he's amazing at pixel art as well, and has very good up-to-date tutorials. Adam C. Eunice is another really good one. He's like, holy crap, like his pixel art doesn't even look like pixel art. I think that's kind of the goal, right? That's kind of what you aim for, is for your pixel art to not look like pixel art, and his does. It's disgusting. But anyway, yeah, I don't know. There's a lot of people out there that do tutorials, really good tutorials. But I would say also just, I'm actually literally I just sent a friend my tip, somebody's doing like a pixel art tip video right now and they asked me to be in it. So I just sent my tip in, so I'm not gonna like basically just like say my exact point, but along the lines of like what I said was to give a new tip that wasn't in my old pixel art video is here, look at the new monsters, guys. They're in game, don't worry. And I fixed this guy too. I changed his color scheme. I think he looks a lot better now. But basically what I said is use references, like look at other people's work. You know, don't try to reinvent the wheel. Like, you know, that's not what we have to do in this day and age. But at the same time, like, oh my God. Oh, never mind. We got it. Okay. But at the same time, I would say use just as many pixel art references as you do with real world references when you're using your art, because if you're just looking at pixel art references, you're not going to understand why somebody did what they did in a certain way. You're just going to like understand it in the concept of like blocks being drawn. But if you actually, you know, like when I was drawing this giraffe creature, I looked up, you know, I don't really look up references for my monsters usually, but when I need help, I look up real world references, because I don't care how somebody else pixel arted a giraffe. I care about how does a giraffe look in real life? You know, how are the thighs compared to the feet in proportions, and how long is the neck compared to the body, for example. So I would say, you know, I think that like artists in general, like always say like, you know, use real world references. This is how you get better at art. Like, you know, we are drawing from our imagination from real world examples. But I think that a lot of people forget that in like digital art forms like pixel art, because it's so different and unique. But I think the same concepts still apply. Anyway, so I'm not even supposed to be playing a real battle. What am I supposed to be doing? So I want to add a cursor. So you know how you guys can move around and it highlights? I want to add a cursor. So I'm probably going to sprite a mini cursor, maybe just a placeholder one for now, but I would like to have a cursor that, you know, gets drawn so that you can actually see what you're selecting other than just the highlight. The other thing I want to do is I want to pulse the background. So I want the grid lines to kind of pulse like from like a darker, I don't even know what color that is, like silver, cyan. I don't even know what color that is, but the grid lines, I want them to kind of feel like, I want them to pulse. And then also this background, I want to loop from like dark gray to like a lighter gray. Because if you guys can't see, there's a slight gradient in the background to give a little bit more depth. I feel like having a flat color, it kind of looks weird, but if you put in a gradient, it looks a little bit more like filled. The image is like filled. I don't know. But I want it to basically just like cycle through like dark to light, back to dark, back to light. And then also I would like to eventually fix this P1 sign at the top center middle, but we'll see what we can do today. I don't even know if I'm going to do this stuff today. When I'm on stream, I don't know. I can't really focus, but anyway, we'll see. That is my ambition. That is what I'm trying to do. I probably won't do it, but you guys should know me by now. I don't do work on stream. I just talk to you guys and sometimes pixel art monsters. So that's what we might do. We'll see. Let's get to your questions. What software do you use for pixel art? I use aseprite. Next stream, well, we'll do 100 likes any percent. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we're at 42. Guys, make sure to like the video. Let's get to 50 likes. Let's get halfway to our goal of every stream. So like the video if you have not already. I'd appreciate it. Thank you. I will take that into consideration. Yes, no worries, man. I walk in and you're talking about giraffe thighs. Yeah, sorry, man. Sorry. I just got your stream recommended. Is this the game you're doing? Looks hella nice. Thanks, man. Thanks so much, Martin. Yeah, this is the game that we're making. It's a devlog series that I've been doing for the past like 6 or 7 months, which you can obviously follow and check out. I appreciate the new subs, you know, the new and the old. But yeah, how do you get the ideas for the monsters? So how do I get ideas for the monsters? Let's just start with doing a monster, and then if I can do any of that other stuff after, I'll do it. But I do want to show you guys a new font. Anyway, I basically just like said what I needed to do so that I can look back at this video and actually see what I need to do. So that's for my future self. But yeah, so I'm not going to go through all of them. Well, I'll go through all of them, but I'll go through them very quickly. But we got all the letters. And I took some time, you know, I didn't look up any kind of references. So these are all just from my head, from the original logo look. But anyway, yeah, so made a bunch of letters. The G was the hardest thing in the world to try to figure out. And I think I got it, but it still looks a little bit strange, but I think I got it. The only thing that I might want to do is do this. But when I do that, this is too skinny. So like this could also work, but I think it's not as readable. I think this is better. So I like the hard finish on the bottom right. The nice squared off corner. So sexy. Okay, anyway, let's do a monster. Somebody was asking about monsters. You can make multiple backgrounds for the battle scene that change depending on the environment you are battling from. Yes, I think that's what we're going to do. That's what we might do with maybe the grid lines. We'll see. We'll see. I have to redesign it, so we'll see what I end up doing. But yeah, that'll probably happen next week. I think all of next week is just going to be me setting up the basic form of the village room, like the main like hub world, setting up like with the houses and stuff that we have and stuff, just setting up a room with all that stuff in it, and then redoing the battle scene, because I think that's what I want the next devlog to be. So the next video I post every Tuesday, guys. If you're new, I post every Tuesday. I stream every Thursday and Saturday. So yeah, basically the next video I'm actually collaborating with somebody. So excited for this video. You guys don't even understand. I'm like, I can't sleep. I just want this video to come out. So please hit the bell so you guys can watch that immediately. I don't think I'll be premiering it. I don't really premiere videos anymore, so. Wolf Studios. Thanks so much, man. Liked. Hello. Hey, man. How you doing? But yeah, so we might do that. Lucas, my man. How do you get the ideas? Okay, so we'll do that. Yeah, we'll do that now. Bell hit already. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. I'd remove the lines because they don't really fit in the rest of the game, at least from what I've seen. So, I mean, we'll see, right? We'll see. But, oh. What? Nah, I'm fine. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, we'll see. Sorry, who said that? Unnamed. We'll see, man. We'll see. Maybe I can ask you guys for some opinions on what you think the battle scene should look like. But I like the grid. I like the grid focused thing. So, I don't know. You should have a notification thingy for new subs. I feel like I should. I don't know how to do that. If somebody knows how to do that, please let me know. And that would actually be like so awesome. I love to do that. I would actually love to do that. G is just a spiral, lol. Not much you can do about that. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. So I think it's fun. I think it looks good. So the chat can welcome them. Yeah, that's true. Yes, sir. Bell hit already. Thanks, man. Okay. I can help. Okay, yeah. Send me a message on Discord or something. Do you use OBS? Because if then what? Because if then there is a website thingy where you can add that. Okay, if you send me the link to that, guys, DM me if you know how to do that, and we can talk about it. I don't know how to do that, but that would be cool. Anyway, let's try to make a new monster. So, yeah. Are you coding the game as well? I'm doing like a little bit of the coding. I coded. Okay, here. I coded the overworld. So let's Hold on. How do I do this? There we go. Okay. So I'm working. It's 3-man team. We got Leonard, who was in the chat earlier. He's a composer for the game. He's making some beautiful music. Leonard, I support everything you're doing full-heartedly. And then I got myself, which is doing all of the art for the game. And like, well, I was supposed to code the whole game, but a couple months into the project, my brother actually jumped on, and he is helping a lot with like doing basically like all the coding. So I coded the overworld. So you can cut down trees, you can mine rocks and stuff. Obviously all this stuff will make sense when you're, you know, playing the game. I was gonna show you some more stuff, but anyway. And my brother coded like 90% of like the battle scene. So yeah, 3-man team, going well. It's going nice. So he's doing more of the technical stuff. I do more of the like camera work, polish, and then also, yeah, just like setting up the overworld, because I've made game after game after game. So it's, you know, it's just easy for me to just like, okay, let me do this. And then, yeah. Looks way crispier now. What looks crispy? Oh, I also slapped the bell. Looks way more crispy now. Yeah, I like that, man. I like that. I think that the internet is cutting out again. That's awesome, but it's back. So I keep seeing the viewers go cut in half. It says no data, and then concurrent viewers just goes bam, we're half now. So that's cool. The overworld looks animations looks great. Yeah, I actually didn't do the character. The character's the only thing I didn't draw. But I appreciate it, man. It's, you know, the game's looking nice. Streamlabs might be easier to work with. Okay, well, I'll talk about it with whoever DMs me on Discord about it. I see some missed notifications, so yes. Thank you. Guys, like the stream. Let's get to 50 likes. If you're new here, please type in chat. Last time I tried to do this, you guys just completely snaked me. And just everybody said that they were new when I've seen most of you guys. But if you're new here, please let me know. Type in the chat. I like to see new faces. Okay. What are we doing? I think we're just gonna make a monster. I don't know. Because I can't focus. I can't focus on doing new things in stream. It's impossible. But here, let me try to do this. Watch this. I'll do one thing for you guys. We'll make the cursor. And let's just drag it all the way up. I'm an OG. My OG account is H. That's good, man. I'm new. Game Romp is new. And so helpful. Wow. Thanks, Game Romp. I appreciate that, man. New and helpful? Wow. No, H is better? I'm confused. You guys are crazy. I joined when I watched your pixel art video. You watched that today? Curious. Guys, my back is going to break. I'm upstairs, and this couch is so much higher than the table, so I have to bend. I have to bend over. My back is going to break. Anyway, so here's my strategy, okay? Watch this. We delete all of these. I really hope... Oh, no. Hold on. I'm on the wrong thing. Okay, go back. That was almost really bad. Okay. Now we can do that. Delete everything. And then, now that we have this, we should be able to create a little thing to see how big we want this cursor to be. So for now, we'll just use this and call it a day. Okay? This is our cursor for the time being. I hope you guys like it. I put a lot of effort into this. You know, I think it looks pretty nice, so put a lot of effort in here. You know what? I'll even, just for you guys, I'll actually, bam. We're gonna shade this bad boy. Watch this. Bam. Not that, but look at that. Yes, I know. I'm wonderful at my craft. I know. You don't need to ego boost me here. You see this? Boom. Masterpiece. Anyway, I'll actually do a real cursor eventually, but for now, I couldn't really care. I don't really care about, you know, doing that. So this is our cursor right now. Beautiful. And then if we delete this stuff, guys, I'm so smart. Watch this. The new people watching probably think I'm like the biggest egotistical person ever, but I'm joking. Auto trim all frames. Boom. Done. Cursor. Baby. And then I don't know what the offset is, but let's just do bottom center and then drag the origin. Whoops. Yeah, drag the origin way down. And just like that, we have a cursor. If the sprites are 42 pixels high, I feel like something like this would work. Like 56, like between like 48 and 64 pixels. Around there, I feel like would be a good height. So, bam. Bam. Just like that, we got a cursor. Looking fire. And then we basically just position it under where our creatures are being drawn. I'm not going to do that now, though, because I don't do the battle scene stuff, coding, and I don't want to mess stuff up. So, do you have tips on programming? Unfortunately, not really. I feel like I'm not the best programmer. Not really. What I would say is, no, I don't really have any tips. I mean, I would have tips, I think, if you asked me a specific question. But in terms of like general knowledge, I don't know. It's kind of hard. It's a very big, you know, statement. But you can ask me specific questions. I would definitely would love to try to help you. The cursor is a big blob. Yes, for now, yes. Anyway, let's try to create a monster because I'm bored. So let's do something. Or do we want to just fix the old monsters? Oh, I see something here. Watch this. Actually, do I see something here? Not really. Like, I see a big head here, but see what I mean? Big head thing. And then this would be like the earpiece things. I don't know. Don't judge me. Anyway, okay. So I don't think I'm in the creative zone today. I actually don't know what we're gonna be doing. Love that. Love that energy. What game are you making? I am making Monster Tribe. Guys, if you don't know what Monster Tribe is, that means you probably don't know about my channel. So, if you're new here, we're making a game. Welcome, Akshat. What's up, man? How you doing? Are you making Among Us? I'm not. Dark Owl, what's up, man? Oh, I missed JGM too. I saw him in the chat. I'll have to make him mod. How do I can't do that on here. But I have to make him mod. I made you mod, but I forgot to make JGM and Nova mod and Hydra, but yeah. Anyway, we're making a game. It's called Monster Tribe. You can, first link in the description, you can actually wishlist the game. Check it out on Steam. The screenshots are very outdated and very ugly, but I just had to throw some screenshots on because Steam requires you to do that. You have to. But yeah, we're making Monster Tribe. And I think right now we're just going to make some monsters. It's a turn-based monster catcher. So, just published a new vid. I might take a nap to rest a bit. 6 hours of editing straight. Yeah, man. I know those ones. It can be very stressful. But anyway, get some much needed rest. JG, I'm sorry, man. I'll make you mod after. I'm sorry. Chakala. Hello, I would like to start learning how to create my own games, but I am not sure what should I start learning. What are the most skills, programming languages, or other programs? Oh, what are the must skills? Okay, good question, man. We'll do this one quick because we've answered these questions. But basically, I would say you need to be somebody that not only is good at, but also enjoys problem solving. If you're getting into coding and you don't like problem solving, you might be getting into the wrong thing because it's literally just at all times problems to be solved. What's the game idea? I'm interested. So it is I'll just bring up some gameplay. Let's just do some testing, guys. Let's try to find some bugs. That's what we'll do today. I always do art streams, and last time we did a little coding stream where I put the guys in the game. This time, let's just try to find some bugs, and I don't know. We'll see. I might ask you guys for your opinion on what we should do next. But anyway, sorry, I'll answer what the game is about, and then I'll go back to whose question was that? That was Chakala. So yeah, basically it's a monster catcher game. There's resource collection, like wood cutting, mining, collecting resources, fishing, all that kind of stuff. Story driven, exploration game. Sounds like a lot. It's not really that much when you break it down. But yeah, turn-based. You fight with your whole team, and that's the situation. How do we fish? I forget how to fish. Oh, weird. Anyway, something that's also being worked on is dialogue, but it looks very bootleg right now. Anyway, so yeah, thank you for the questions, guys. What I would say, I said the problem-solving thing, so that is definitely a must need. Is you need to enjoy solving problems and trying to think about things in very different ways, because I find that every time I have an error, it's because I'm thinking about something in one specific way of how I'm trying to code something or do something. So a lot of times whenever I'm having issues, I have to think in like 6 or 7 different ways of like looking at something in different perspectives, and in order for me to like figure out this error or bug or whatever is causing it. So I don't know. As far as programs, I would say good game engines would be like GameMaker is good. It's what I use. It's if you're new into game development, I think it's kind of a double-edged sword, because I think it's good because it's easy to grasp. It's very easy to learn and get good at, and just make a game. But at the same time, you do have some limitations. If something is easier and a little bit more of a hand-holding thing, you will have a little bit more like issues or things that you run into where you just can't do because the engine is not capable of doing that. I personally haven't really run into those problems. The only thing that I think GameMaker is not very good at is doing things like lighting. So if you want very, very pretty lighting in your pixel art games, I don't know. GameMaker, it's not the best. We figured out something that actually works very well for us. If you guys have seen, I don't know, previous devlog, I did something and it showed like a rave party thing, which is basically us going from day to night cycle really, really fast. So it would go from, a day, like a sunny, yellowy, orange to like a red of kind of like the evening to like a dark blue. Anyway, so we figured out a way that works for lighting, but it's very, very frustrating. So I think other, Godot is very good for pixel art games as well. Unity. And then you have like Unreal Engine for 3D. Same with Unity. Unity is just very good because it can do pretty much everything. But me personally, I'm just not a fan of the engine. I just don't find myself having fun using it. I think that's the most important thing. So like if you're going to do this as a hobby or a career, either one really, because what is a hobby if you're not having fun? But either way, you should be having fun doing what you're doing. So I would highly recommend just playing around with something that you think is fun. Oh, nice. So these guys don't have moves right now. Nice. That's like so broken. Okay, I guess we can't bug fix, guys. I'll just try to play out a match. Actually, no, because then I can't read chat. I don't know what to do. I'm stuck in a loop here. Okay, let's exit GameMaker. It's whatever. It's a chill chat stream. We'll see if we can get something done. I'll do some fusions for you guys. Because those are easy to do, and then I can focus on chat. I like to talk to you. Like, if I'm trying to develop the game, I can do that on my own time. You know what I mean? Streaming is about getting likes, making money. Nah, streams is just about me being able to rant for absolutely no purpose. And let you guys in on some insider information. Anyway, I see the likes going up. Thank you for all the likes, guys. If you're new, subscribe. The consistency on this channel is actually disgusting. In the past like two or 3 weeks, it's great. Anyway, I missed literally like 1,000 messages. I'm sorry, guys, but let me just load up some monsters. How would I even find the monsters? Okay, let's try to fix that guy that I was saying. Let's try to fix him. So let me try to find that. Documents. I love how the game's called Diacre, even though that's not what the game is even remotely called, but it's all right. It's whatever. Okay. I will resume questions now. I'm sorry, guys. But yeah. And also, I'll do speed round questions so that I can actually answer them. I go on tangents on every question. So, have you made a walrus monster yet? I think that would be pretty cool. Okay. Maybe I'll make a walrus monster, dude. I'll make that just for you. If anyone has suggestions, post them now. Post them now. So go monster like this, guys, so I can actually see it. Monster : and then type in whatever you want to see. So, I don't know. If you want a dragon or something, just do monster, dragon. And that's it. And then once we do that vote, then we'll go ahead and we'll do that. Monster slime. Strange. Potato. Monster potato. Monster toucan. Do I have a toucan? I don't think so. I definitely have... well, I just made a bird, so we'll hold off on that one. I just made a bird. Ayush, what's up, man? How you doing? We're trying to pick a monster here. Everyone's going to give different things, but, it'll get the creativity stuff flowing. Toucan would be good. Guys, we just did a bird monster. All right, if I see toucan one more time, we'll do a toucan, but KFC bird. Nice. Why does everyone want to see birds, man? Panda, zebra, gargoyle. Okay, interesting. A panda? That's interesting. Chicken? Toilet? I don't know. I don't really want any toilet monsters in my game. Mummy? A mummy? My profile pic? A Charmander? Nice. Toucan. Guys, what's with the toucans? Car? Rat? Yo, I think I want to do a rat. I know like 17 people have said bird, but I kind of want to do a rat. Okay. All right, we'll do toucans just because everyone is raccoons, raptor, fat worm. I do want to do a worm creature, 100%. Can I do a worm, guys? Can I just screw the comments and do a worm instead? Minotaur, Egyptian toucan. Nice. Egyptian toucan. Two-headed toucan. Nice. Okay. All right. I guess we're doing a bird. Nice. This is the last time I ask you guys for anything. Because then I always just do whatever I don't want to do. Make a joke monster? I already did that, actually. Okay, hold on. Let me bring this up real quick. I was on the dev lounge. If you guys don't know what the dev lounge is, it's basically like it's a server that I created for like game dev YouTubers. We were on there and I created this thing, and it's, yeah. So we already did the joke monster thing. But yeah, I can't believe like 10 different people said toucan. You guys are uncreative. We just made a bird monster. Anyway, so if you guys like the Bargy, this is the new monster. If we hit 100K, if we hit $100,000 on Kickstarter, I will be putting this monster in the game. So if I have any investors in the chat, hold on to your money, put your wallets back in your pants, and wait until April. I am 100% serious about this. I think 50K is for Switch port. If we can, I'm gonna have to talk to Nintendo again and see if we can get the license to port. I haven't done it yet. I'm waiting for the game to be at optimal nice lookingness. But yeah, so I think 50K is Switch port, and 100K is for Bargy Monster to be in the game. Yeah, so we'll see. Like the video if you want the Bargy Monster in the game. That's it. Monster with sunglasses, Master Splinter themed rat with a straw hat. That's actually brilliant, dude. Who said that? Biblically accurate angel. Nice. You had me in the chat and you thought toucan wouldn't come up? Yeah, that's true. I just didn't expect like so many different people to you know, find it or whatever. Bargy as Easter egg? Only if we had 100K on Kickstarter, guys. 10K is our minimum goal, but if we times that by 10, we'll put Bargy in the game. Alright, no more Bargy spam. Please. Guys, we're 2/3 of the way to our, you know, our I don't know, our stream goal that we always go for. So please like the stream, gets it to more people. Then we can have more nonsense going on, like what's happening right now. Is Bargy a legendary? He will be. He will be if he's in the game. That's up to you guys, though. I don't have $100,000 to drop on this, but Indivar plays. What's up, man? How you doing? Are you new here? I don't think I've ever seen you. Me YouTuber? Are you a YouTuber? What do you do, sir? You should put the Kickstarter link in the description. The Kickstarter is happening in April. So once I make the page public, or like actually work on the Kickstarter page and then make it public, which won't be for a little while, but I think you can do like a pre-announcement thing. So you can have people like not wishlist it like on Steam. Guys, if you're new here, wishlist Monster Tribe on Steam. It's the first link in the description. That is the biggest help. I actually found out from another game developer that apparently if you get 10,000 wish lists before your game launches, when it launches, Steam, I don't know if they do front page or I don't know, they do some kind of like crazy promotion for your game, basically to give you a lot more sales. So yeah, every wish list does count. Obviously, you know, it would be nice if like the people that did wishlist, you know, bought the game, but even if you can't, you know what I mean? If you can't afford that, it still actually helps our ratings, like to compare against other Steam games. So yeah. Okay, let's do this toucan monster. What I'm thinking is more of a sleek design. So the last bird that we did was like, the last bird monster that we did was like very like bulky. It was like a raven knight kind of thing. So for this one, I think we're going to go with more of a sleek look and do a very slender type creature. Maybe I should look up what a toucan looks like, actually. Okay, it's time to look it up. What is Toucan. What does a toucan look like? See, guys, real world references. For some reason, it's impossible for me to say real world. I'm saying it right now. I'm very proud of myself, but I had to say it like 2 or 3 different times in the script that I was making for somebody else's video. And I was just trying to do it in like one take or whatever. And I just kept screwing up and I couldn't say real world. I don't know. My English is just getting worse and worse. The more that I like exist on this planet, it just keeps tanking. So I don't know. I don't know what that's about, but okay. Okay. So I hope this makes you guys happy. We are making the toucan monster. But no promises it will look good. I never get anything actually finished on stream, so. Whoa, look at this toucan. Wow. That is sick, actually. That's sick. I know you guys want the generic toucan, but this is looking hella sick. So, yeah. Nah, we're doing this instead, guys. Damn. Okay. Solid. Egyptian toucan, please. Yeah, maybe for a fusion. We can do it a fusion. What's going on? Don't self-promote. Guy, don't self-promote. Indif Van plays. I'm a YouTuber. Nah, I mean, it's whatever. As long as you're not spamming. We did have to ban somebody last chat. We got the first ban. I try to be as nice to people as possible, but somebody spammed like, I think like, I don't know, over like 20 different messages in a like 60-second span of promoting their YouTube channel. And I mean, I thought it was a bot, so I just kind of removed it, but I don't know. Could have been an actual person. We don't know. We don't know. I don't play around. All right. Okay, so for this design, I think what I'm going to do is actually make this like the first monster that doesn't use up the full canvas. I think I want it to be a small creature. I don't play around with the canvas size enough, but that is what we're going to do with this guy, is have a smaller size monster. This is definitely going to be like a salamander or something. I know you guys wanted a toucan, but I don't know, man. It's not looking like a toucan right now. Chat. As long as my brother becomes a monster in the game, I'm happy. Yes. Yes, toucan. Yes, I know. I know. Guys, toucan's actually like super active. He's always active. He makes a fan art monster almost every time we stream, so hats off to him. If you guys want to be featured in the devlogs, just make sure to submit some fan art. I make sure to post at least like a couple, like, I don't know, around like 10 fan art per devlog. So if you want to be included in that, send some in. Okay, so we screwed up the perspective, so we're just gonna shrink this down. No idea how to do this. We might have to redo this entirely. I hate birds, man. They're impossible to draw, and they're just stupid. I don't know why you guys always want me to draw these goddamn stupid animals. Hey everyone, watching Reese's stream now, but figured being here to talk would be nice. I see people in the Discord. Guys, what's up? I'll definitely be talking on there after the stream. From where did you learn Unity C# coding? I actually didn't. I don't know. I've only used Unity for like a month. I did a 30-day challenge. I tried to learn Unity. And yeah, that's it. So 69 likes. You guys really don't want to pass that 69 likes, I see. Grow up, guys. Grow up. Let's hit 70 likes. Make it happen. Thank you, whoever did that. Okay. This monster's looking cute, man. Cute. Let's fill in some colors. Okay. Why did you like? Should have kept it at 69. Well, now we're at 75, so sorry, man. Oh, and the likes are going down. Yo, guys, chill. Chill. Let's make it to 420. I mean, I'm down. If you guys make it to 420, I don't know. Damn it, yo, stop. You guys are trolls. Stop. Oh my god. The like ratio is changing more than the concurrent viewers. You guys are so troll. Oh my god. You're only hurting yourselves. You're only hurting yourselves because then you know, less people come into the chat. Less people get recommended the stream and you have less people to chat with. So you're only hurting yourself. I appreciate a good joke though. Good job, guys. Okay. Who disliked? I don't know, man. I don't know. The guy that gave the one dislike will die tonight. Dude, chill. It's not that deep. It's okay. Polar, you changed your profile pic. Or is that a different guy? What's the highest amount of viewers you've got on stream? 700 concurrent viewers. Which was, I think, 2 or 3 streams ago. It was actually insane. It just kept going. Kept rising. But it's funny because the chat is pretty much as active as it is now. Like, I feel like the chat never really changes activity. It's weird like that, you know? Because it's just like all of these people that are seeing this for the first time that have no idea who I am, so they don't want to type in the chat. I think the only time that it like really like went insane was when I asked, I think like while I had like 500 people on the chat, I asked like, where are you guys from or something? It was insane. Like, oh my god. Anyway, let's try to fill in these colors. Okay. Guys, I think I'd rather stream than do YouTube, to be honest. Actually, I don't know. I really like just like being able to like make videos that I want to talk about stuff on. Like the way that the new structure is going, I really, really like. So I actually don't know if that's the case anymore, but wow, this is ugly. Hold on. Okay. That's a bit better. I don't know what's going on here, but we'll try. Okay, so these guys seem to be very dark. And I'll have to round the beak more. I'll have to round the beak. I just wanted to do something just for the time being. So actually, yeah, let's just do that now. So, oh god. What did I do? Okay, chat. 78, guys, let's get to 80 likes. Let's go. Let's go, guys. 80 likes. Can we do it? Can we get to, it's for 20 bucks. What are you guys talking about? If you want to do streams, do it in YouTube. Somehow for me, Twitch is very slow. Probably my internet connection. Yeah, I mean, we always stream on YouTube, so. And it works pretty well, I have to say. I really, really enjoy what happens here. And it also does help the channel because we always get at least like 40 or 50 new subs when we stream. So it really helps. Guys, if you're new in the chat, make sure to sub. But yeah, so it helps the YouTube videos, and also I can stream, and I can stream for more people. If I streamed on Twitch and like didn't have anything associated, I'd get like 2 people watching me. So being able to just have like 60, 70, 80 people on hand at all times is really nice. So I appreciate you guys. And I think I would say there's probably like 40 or 50 like dedicated like stream watchers. Obviously, like it just depends. I stream twice a week, so some people can catch the weekend streams, some people can catch only the weekday streams, but that's why I do it, just so that people have, you know, if people are always like busy at a certain time, they can catch different streams. So yeah, okay, I like this design, kind of, not really actually. But we got to start filling in some colors. So first, let's just dot it with the eyes. I feel like this is kind of scary. This creature's kind of creepy, but it's all right. Crocodile, you're cool. Are you talking about me? Why are you guys putting F's in the chat? Nothing died. Stop. What's happening? Was gone for 30 minutes. Welcome back, man. Welcome back. God. Yes, you are cool. I mean you. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Glad you think so. Okay, let's outline this thing. So I'm reading a book right now, and I'm reading the chapter on ego. So guys, don't boost my ego. Kooky? You call me kooky? Yo, that's fighting words, man. Fighting words. Yeah, this thing's kind of silly. I won't lie. This thing's pretty silly. I'm trying to make it silly. Okay, this looks nothing like our reference. Oh my god. Okay, so I think what I should do... Oh, yes. Okay, we got a battle stance here. So I'm gonna actually just... we're gonna delete this and restart. And let's just copy our reference. Let's just do a 1-for-1, copy our reference. 82 likes? Guys, that doesn't look like 100. Let's keep liking the video until we get to 100. And then, just like every other stream, then we can chill and just focus on the content. But I don't know why, but whenever we hit 100... I don't know, YouTube is like, hey, we should promote this more. And then just like more people come. So if you're watching the stream and you haven't liked the video, please do. If you're watching the stream and you haven't wishlisted Monster Tribe on Steam, well, there's a link in the description. It's the first link in the description, and I'd appreciate it. I would appreciate it. It's funny because a while ago, a couple months ago, I was watching a stream by, I think it was Thomas Brush. And this guy, like, I think he was promoting his game dev course or something. Guys, let's copy this reference. Exactly. Watch this. Ready? Boom. Bam. Look at this curve. Oh, that's the tail right there. And then the tail kind of comes back up into the feet. And we actually don't have the feet in this drawing. So we're just going to wing it a little bit. But yeah, he was doing a stream on that, on his course or something. And literally like every like 20 seconds he would like basically like promote it. He would be like, hey, for all the new people watching right now, you can get my course. And like he would basically say like a very similar thing like every couple minutes or something. And I was like, wow, like I feel like that's like a lot. Like that's like repeating yourself a lot. And then I realized when I started streaming, I was like, new people are literally always at all times, coming and going. Like, even though it says 50 constantly or 60 constantly, I can see the numbers and things are just always going, right? Things are always going crazy. So there's always new people and you have to account for that. So even though, you know, I sound like a record player, you got to account for that, you know? We're gonna close the mouth though. We're gonna close the mouth of this creature. I don't want his mouth to be open with some fluff ball hanging off. What is that? Is that his uvula? That's disgusting, man. This is not stream appropriate. That's disgusting. Have we already been streaming for over an hour? Jesus. Oh my god. Wow. But this silhouette is looking fire. I won't lie. I think I want to give him a puffier chest. Puff that bitch. Let's go. Okay. So, actually, this looks kind of weird now. It's like a very small waist. This is like the ideal female figure right here. This is what every girl aims for. Look at that chest, man. And that waist. Tight waist. Busty chest. Girls, if you're into the curved spine, I guess that's kind of something you got going on here too. But yeah. Skip leg day. Toucan skip leg day. Yeah, 100%. This guy has never seen a leg machine in his entire life. Interesting word choice. Nice. Okay. Hold on. No, I do like this though. So maybe I can just like move the leg forward. How do you do how do you do a bird's feet? I don't know. We'll just do this. This looks like a goddamn velociraptor pelican thing. It's looking sick though. Okay, let's color stuff, guys. Yo, chat, chill. I'm trying to read you guys. Someone on Discord is asking me to mute him. Smute him? What are you talking about? Jack LeBlanc. What's up, man? How you doing? Welcome. Guys, who is new? Who is new today? I feel like this is a more appropriate question to ask now because probably a lot of my, you know, early gang has left. So, who's new? I need only genuine... Oh my god, never mind. You guys ruined it. Like... And I always see the same people too. Retro and unnamed. Always saying that. You've been... you were here from like the Son of Fire days. I know you're not new. From like 10 months ago. Okay, let's see. Gerwit is new. Jack LeBlanc is new. Lakifio. I don't know if he's new, but maybe he's new. Gongo looks new. Are these all new subs? Are these all my new subs? I better hope so. Giacomo. Oh, it's Giacomo, dude. I think that for making your monsters, you should use a lower resolution because personally, and this may just be me, they look a little blobby. You think so? Hold on. This guy? I don't know. I think that I really like the 42 by 42 canvas because it lets me like get in the amount of detail that I want, which is, you know, creating these creatures with sometimes a little bit more complex designs. This one's pretty simple. It's just a shark with a, it's kind of like in like a seal. Like this is how a seal would sit, right? Like you have the fin over here kind of holding up his body, his head holding up his body, and then a little like ball on its head. That's kind of what I had like envisioned as a shark that kind of acts as if like it has like seal like qualities. But yeah, so I mean definitely some of them I do see what you mean, but that's, you know, only some of them. That's really good. Thanks, man. Yeah, I definitely think there are some creatures that I have to redesign 100%, but here's the thing. instead of redesigning, I think some creatures are just going to end up getting scrapped because some creatures are just not really designed in the best way. So some will get redesigned to be like up to date in like, you know, the quality that I do now, right? But some of them honestly maybe just get scrapped. So yes, I appreciate the feedback though. I appreciate that. I am new, non-fandom fables. What's up, man? 50 subs left to 6,666. Is that true? Is that true? We hit 6.6 today. We're getting like 100 new followers a day, I think, at this point. Not 100, sorry. Like 50, around 50. Sometimes it goes higher. Like when we stream, usually that goes up to like 80 or 90 or 100, but everyone like and subscribe. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Yes, guys, please do. Out of the 6.62 subs, only 50 people showed up. This is so sad. No, man. It's not sad. That's actually pretty decent. In terms of concurrent viewers. Because when you look at the playbacks, I have 800 playbacks on this video. That means, and that doesn't count when people like click on a video and click off and click on. Maybe it does sometimes, but for the most part, it's like unique watchers. I can see all the analytics, so it might seem sad, but it's not sad. Don't worry, man. And we're not sad. Don't worry. No sad faces here. We're okay, Gerwit. I appreciate the enthusiasm, though. Give the toucan a smug smile. It's a silhouette. Really? Okay, watch this. You ready? Just for you, man. Look. Done. I think we're done now. You see what you do? Do you see what you do? This is what you do. Okay. I think we're done. Guys, like the video for this nice smile. I think that's the best thing I've ever drawn. I won't lie. Reece, tell people to like for that YouTube algorithm juice. Yeah, I have been. Don't worry, man. Guys, let's get to 90. 2 away. 90. Let's get to 90. Giving you guys 10 seconds. Can we do it? I'll wait. Good job, guys. At least on my thing it says 90. So, thank you, guys. GG. 90. 90. Yeah, thanks, guys. Sub to destroy good guess. Yes, good job. That's true. Oh, somebody just unliked. We're back in the 80s. Back in the 80s. All we need is 10 more. 10 more likes for YouTube to spread the word about this stream. That's all we need. But yes, please also sub to Good Giss, please. It's all jokes, but please do sub to Good Giss as well. He's making amazing content, so it would make me sad if you guys unsubbed just for the joke. He makes good content. I support his endeavors. Okay. Let's actually do this thing now. So, thanks for back in the 90s, guys. Appreciate it. All right. How do we do this thing? It has like a white outlining where the beak meets the face, right? Let's just try this first and see what happens. Good God. I think it's a bird. Could be a bird. Might be a bird. We'll never really know. Okay. See if I can do this right. I'm going into focus mode. Until we hit 100 likes, I'm going into focus mode. Once we hit 100 likes, I will answer your questions. So, you want questions answered? Focus mode. Yeah, ultimate gamer mode. Yes, yes, yes. Gigas is an amazing dev. He needs so much more love than he has. Yes, 100%. Oh, he's been getting it. Don't worry. He's been getting that love. I think he gained like 3,000 subs in like a couple days or something. He's popping off. Hashtag like for answers. Yeah, pretty much. When people don't call me a sellout, kind of cringe. Okay, so we're gonna use. Also, this color is way too bright. This white color is like way bright. But I guess I could just change that now. It's looking like more like a yellowy tint, orangey yellowy thing. So let's do that. I have subbed to Good Giz. Yes, good job, guys. Everyone go sub to Good Giz, but also sub to this channel if you have not already. But yes, please support my friends in their endeavors as well. The power of numbers. The power of numbers. Okay. This thing is looking pretty whack. But watch this. New technique. New hidden technique. Okay? So do we like this shading better or this shading better? I think this looks better. So let's try to do the same thing on that side. And then we can start playing around with some actual colors and stuff. But right now I just want to get the main thing under wraps. Guys, can we get 6 more likes? Let's get 6 likes. That's all we need. Huh. That looks like a completely different color. That's actually so weird. Mastermind technique. Yeah, literally. Got it down packed. You can do it. You can make a good monster. Yeah. I'll try. 5 more. Yes, 5 more, guys. Okay, hold on. Let's do the dithering technique now. This will pull us the win. No. That looks really bad. No. How do I do this? No. Sometimes it's so easy for me to like shade things and do things, and other times it's impossible. All right, see you, mate. All right, man. Super cute monster, please. I'll try. Try my best. Man. Okay, hold on. Let me go back to this. I really like how I did the thing on here. General Kenobi? Who's General Kenobi? Is he in the chat? I don't see him. Okay. Anyway, the thing is it's very hard to shade fur. I find it nearly impossible to shade fur. My guy hasn't watched Star Wars. Me? No, yeah, I actually haven't. Maybe I should. Maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. Okay. I like this thing. Okay, wait. I think that the darker, like the piece inside needs to be darker. Maybe not on all of these, but maybe we can go in and have certain ones pop out. I don't really know. I'm just trying to focus on the beak for now, and then we can worry about the body later. Oh, also, we need to outline this guy. So let's Shift O, and now he's outlined. Boom. Boom. This is an oof right there. Not feathers, not fur. Sorry. Yeah, my bad. Okay. Yeah, you guys can roast me. Yeah, I deserve it. I called feathers fur. My bad. Guys, we need 100 likes. We need it. We can't end a monster stream without hitting our goal. Ha. This is very weird. Okay, I'm gonna try to create a wing here. So we're just gonna do that. And I mean, this is kind of wing-like, right? It's kind of wing-like. Okay. Come on, everyone. Yes, good job, guys. We're so close. 4 more likes. At least that's what it says for me. Hold on, let me check. Let me check the real numbers. Sometimes it doesn't update properly. So yeah, we only need 2 more. We only need 2 more. That's all we need. We got to do it. Okay, well, we'll hit it. We'll hit it. No, nobody needs to pressure. We're good. We're good. We'll hit it. You guys get so hype. Nope, it hit it, and then somebody trolled. Nice. Someone unclicked LMAO. Damn. Okay. I think actually I want like a really... I might actually... I don't do this often, but I might use black in the draw. Oh, never mind. Okay, we'll use a dark... dark blue for this. Symbolize where it meets the thing. I think this eye placement is actually much better. So how do we want to... That looks so scary. You know what, actually? This isn't too bad. I think this is better. Somebody said eyes are too close, but I think they said that before we changed it. You can let me know after. Can you guys not troll and just hit 100, please? Yeah, I mean, we'll hit it. It's okay, man. If I stream for a little bit longer, we'll hit it. It's all right. It's just like, for me, it's like, it's a challenge. It's a difficult thing to achieve. We got it. Good job, guys. 100. Good job. Good job, everyone. We're triple digits. Triple digit likes. Oh, and it's back down. Okay. Okay. I see. Okay. All right, we're going to keep hitting it and then not hitting it. That's all right. That's okay. Thank you. Okay, there we go. Now we are past the threshold. Now everyone can go home safe. We're good. Yes. Okay. Good job, everyone. Good job, guys. Okay. I appreciate you all. There we go. There we go. Maybe you don't like this, but I think that this is actually, this is what I want to go for, actually. Is this... it looks a little bit like... kind of off looking, but I think that's kind of how the creatures look in general. So I'm not going to bother with all this weird nonsense. Like, I think they have like red around them normally, but we're not going to bother with all that crap. Actually, that could be interesting. Maybe we will. Ah, look, it's a very droopy eye, right? Very, very droopy eye. Crow boy. Yeah, it looks kind of like a crow, but, you know, this is technically a toucan, so that is what we're going for. The crow, toucan, crow thing. No, that's like way creepy. Okay, let's just do that. And then maybe use this to accent the eyes. Give it a nice glow. Solid. Okay, guys. Question time. We hit 100 likes. So now the question floor is open. We're ready to answer some questions. So I'm just trying to get this eye right, and then I can move forward. I'm just trying to do each piece. Like, I'm trying to do it piece by piece. I know it's taking a long time, but I do things very slowly on stream. So hope you guys are okay with that. This tail, I feel like, is going to be more of a red. So let's just start getting basic colors. This wing seems to be more of like a turquoise color, or like, I don't even know what color that is. Like that greeny, turquoisey swamp color. I don't know. So I usually like to stick with very simple color palettes with most of my monsters, but this one, I think that's kind of a part of the design of the creature. I will try to make it not look super out of place, but no promises there. Might end up looking very out of place. Because there's some like there's some like Pokemon and stuff that look like that, and they look really weird, where they're like kind of, I don't know what you call it, but they're like I mean, something like that could work. Maybe. Or we just chop it. I don't know. Okay, question floor. Let's scroll up. Crow boy, yes. Good guess, Social Blade, 4 subs and 100k views in the past. 4k subs and 100,000 views in the past month. Yeah, it's pretty crazy, actually. If you make the toucan look bad, I won't forgive you. I'll try not to, but we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Is it a monster or what? Make him a shiny blade instead of a beak. Okay, hold on. Well, the beak is not done. The beak is not done. How to get good at pixel art. Dude, just keep practicing. But again, we answered this earlier. Just follow a lot of like YouTubers and their tutorials and stuff, and then also, what do you call it? I don't know, but yeah, it's hard because there's not a lot of pixel art courses out there. I think next year I want to make a pixel art course. Once I get better, I'm still honing my skills. I'm getting better and improving literally like month by month. But yeah, so I think by next year I'll be good enough to like be able to do that. And then yeah, that would be nice to like do a course, because I don't see a lot of those. But yeah, we got to do these quickly, catch up, and then guys, ping me to ask me questions. Make sure to ping me so they come up in orange. So now where Toucan has monster, can I have one too? It was majority rules, man. I think like 7 or 8 people voted for toucans out of every single thing in the world. I said, guys, what do you want me to make? And like 6 or 7 people said toucan. So I'll take that as a sign. What's the first thing to do with starting a new game? That's a good question, man. That is a good question. Welcome, Martini. What's up, man? I haven't talked to you in a little while, but I appreciate you being here. If it's question time, what is Gamora? I actually don't know. Isn't that a website, a gaming website? But yeah, somebody said, what's the first thing to do with starting a game? The first thing to do, obviously, is come up with an idea. Once you have an idea, I would say the next thing that you want to try to do is figure out what makes your game unique, or like what makes your game stand out, because whether you're trying to make like a ton of money or not, I think either way, people want their game to be like recognized in like some kind of community and played by a lot of people. So I would say figure out what your strengths are in actually like developing video games, whether that's pixel art or actual coding or making music. Figure out what your strengths are. I don't know what kind of feet these guys have. Oh, they're like yellowy orange things. I don't know. Figure out your strengths and make something based around that. Because I think a lot of times people just try to make like the game that they want to play, but I don't think that that's how you should be making video games. I don't think you should be trying to make the perfect game that you want to play. Maybe you can, but especially when starting out, like I would just say make something that you would enjoy making rather than something you would enjoy playing, because it's a long ass process. You're going to be making this game for like 3 months to like 3 years. So if you don't actually enjoy the elements going into it, like for example, this game, a lot of the stuff that I have to do is drawing, you know, art environments and resources and monsters. And I love doing that stuff. So this game for me is really fun to make. Obviously there's a lot of stress involved and it is annoying from time to time, but for the most part, like I do generally have fun and enjoy it. Also, we're gonna get rid of this. This looks stupid as hell, so I'm gonna get rid of that. But yeah, so I would say like before you start making that new game, figure out what you're actually good at and what you would want to develop rather than what kind of game you would want to play. So it's my 2 cents. That's my 2 cents on the matter. But yeah, we got to go through these a lot quicker. Make a Mulligan cockatoo. Maybe I might. Maybe. And we also have fusions, guys. So even if a monster itself doesn't have your exact design, I do have, like, I used cardinal, like a cardinal bird as reference for the other guy's fusion, the bird guy's fusion. So, you know, toucans are just that superior. Yes, they are. Cookie time, please draw one. Oh my God, you guys always want me to draw cookies. All right, here's your cookie for today. So this is your cookie. And we'll give it some chocolate chips. And we'll even highlight this cookie. Give it a little highlight. Look at that. It's a cookie. I also like to do these kind of highlights a lot. It doesn't look good in this instance, but sometimes, like, I think it was done on this. Yeah. See this? I like that highlight. I think it looks nice. I think it looks nice. Anyway. No more cookie for you. I know I didn't shade the cookie, but it's whatever. I have to go quick. I think you missed my question. What was your question? I said, I don't know what Gamora is. I think it's like a gaming website or something, right? We demand cookie. I gave you guys a cookie, don't worry. What do you call two toucans sitting next to each other? 4 cans. Please leave my chat. Please leave my chat. Do you use mouse to draw pixel art? I do. Tristan codes things. I use my mouse and keyboard. I used to do drawing tablet pixel art sometimes, but honestly, I'm not a huge fan anymore. And it just kind of slows down my process. So, yeah. Interesting question, though. I actually don't think I've seen that question. At least for a long time. Or ever. I may have never seen that question before. I don't know. Okay. So let's start with some basic highlights. I don't know how I want to highlight this thing, but I'll try it out. Let's see. I think it'd be nice to have a little thing. A little like piece thing. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. So I think there's too much going on, but we'll leave it for now. You always want to make sure that you're not overdoing it. So for example, we have a lot of pixels here that are the same color. Don't feel obligated to fill that in, because sometimes it just ends up looking messy and gross and you don't get the result you want. So see, I can find, here is kind of like my shading. Maybe it's a little bit too uniform. So now maybe I can go in and kind of fix things or change things to make it slightly more, or like less structured. But this is like very early on stuff. So at first, I just like to kind of generally figure out what I want to do. And then I can go back in and redo things. Still no FAQ. Yeah, I just decided against the FAQ because the Steam page is out now. So if you guys don't know what the game is, you can just go first link in the description and find the Steam page, and then you can, you know, see what the game is about. And then if you have specific questions, that's where I come in, and you can ask me them, like right now when we're doing the question thing. So yeah, I ultimately decided against the FAQ just because then you guys can just look at the game on Steam, and if you have questions beyond that, you can just ask them to me in the live. And hopefully I answer them. Got some spikies going on here. Doesn't really look like a thing. What do you call it? Like a wing. Doesn't really look like a wing all that much. That's all right. Okay, I gotta go back to live chat. That beak should have some symbol on it in the same color as its belly. You think so? All right, I'll try it out. The beak is not done though. I definitely would like to add a highlight color. Actually, I think this one actually might have a lot more of a highlight color. Usually I only do like 1 or 2 dots, but I think for this specific texture, I want to do more highlight stuff going on. I don't know how to do this though. This is a tough one. Guys, help me out. What if we break it? I don't know if I need to break it on this side, but could break the bottom. How's it supposed to breathe without nostrils? Okay. All right. Fair enough. Boom. Is that a good placement? That doesn't look like a good placement to me. Okay. This is gonna take a long time, but I'll figure it out. Where's the nose? Where's the nose, man? Where's the nose? Where's the nose? Where is the nostril on a bird? Bro, it's like so far up. Good God. What is wrong with these creatures? Their nostril. Oh my God. Thanks for all the likes, guys. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. If you're new here, subscribe. I see some new faces again. So guys, we do this literally like twice a week if I can. Sometimes I might end up missing a week or something. Should we do it double? No, that's too much. That's too much. But I don't know how to place it. Why do you guys make me do these things? I think this is the best spot. But it doesn't look like a nostril. It just looks like a second face. And that's the problem. Toucan nostrils aren't like budgie nostrils. Okay. Where is a toucan? Where's a nostril on a toucan? Where the... I don't see it. I don't think they have nostrils, man. Dead ass. Oh my god, I want to make that thing. That is definitely going to be a fusion for this monster. Oh, that is so beautiful. Do you have enough time to do a super cute monster after this? Definitely not. Definitely not. But I can do a fusion for this guy, for sure. Horny toucan, yeah, pretty much. That's kind of sick. I actually really like that. Does anybody know where the nostril on the toucan is? Scuffed unicorn bird. Yeah, literally. Can you please ping me if you know where the nostril... Actually, I guess you can't really type that. I don't know how you would type that. Near the head? Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't understand. Like, is it not on the beak? It looks like it's not on the beak, but then how would I show that? Like... Guys, I think we're going to take a creative liberty here and not put a nostril. Or we put it there. It's there. I think it's there or nowhere. Because you know what? This is a cartoon pixel art drawing, so it's whatever, you know? But like, I don't think that it would be like up. Oh, actually, that doesn't look too bad. Oh my god. That doesn't look that bad. I think we found the placement. You guys can let me know. Its body looks so Chad-like. Damn. Yeah, literally, man. Looks so goddamn... I think we're going to tone it down a little bit, but... yeah, it's looking pretty sick. The last one... You mean this? This isn't a bad placement either. Okay, we're going with this. I don't care about, you know, what's happening now. So I guess you got it kind of right. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Use a dark color other than black. Yeah, I'm using this, the skin tone for it. We can use this one, but that looks a little bit too bright. So let's just slightly just brighten the entire color up. And do the same thing here. Oh my god. Okay, never mind. We're good. Nostrils aren't very visible. Yeah, it looks like it. They just like don't exist. So whatever. I don't know. Toucans no longer have nostrils. If you guys are watching, toucans do not have nostrils. Lenium, welcome back, man. Did I miss any questions? It's a tiny hole in the beak. I wouldn't draw it. Yeah, I'm just not gonna draw it. Oh my god, what did I just do? Okay, I'm not gonna draw it. I'm gonna take advice from Artindi, and I'm not gonna draw it. Just playing around, seeing if we can do anything. I think for now, this beak is fine. I think the beak. Ha. That's interesting. Okay. I also want to fix up this shading here. I think that's good. It's fine. Yes, I think so too. How am I gonna smell stuff now? I don't know, man. You tell me. I think his toucan needs abs though. Yeah. I mean, this guy looks like he's like... He lives at the gym, right? So... This guy lifts, man. Oh no, what is happening? Guys, what's happening in the chat? I see somebody say something about ban somebody. What are you guys talking about? Unnamed. I hear you're spamming something. Please don't. Give him G Fuel. Dude, this guy's looking like he needs some goddamn G Fuel right now. That is a fact of life, sir. Okay, let's just do this. I might fix it later. Actually, it looks kind of stupid. Ha. Boom. You guys like that? Bam. Trying to look at the thing now and see, but I think it's fine. If I had a Pepsi for every time I've made a bird pun on Reese's stream, I would have 2 cans. Haha. You're so funny. Oh my god. This guy triggers me to no end. Artindi, go back to making YouTube videos. Stop harassing my stream. Please. Stop. Okay. Let's finish this, please. Let's finish this. Bam. Okay, what do we do with the feet though? Can I just like make him levitate or something? I really don't want to do the feet. No. 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 Okay, there we go. Sexy as ever. Sexy as ever, baby. Someone give me a lesson on how to do feet. Oh my god. I think that doing bird feet is the hardest task for a human being. And I honestly like look at that. He looks like he's wearing Tim's, man. He's wearing Tim's. No. I really don't want to ban another person. Please don't spam. Don't spam. Please. Don't spam, guys. I actually know how to ban people now, and I really don't want to do that. Hi, Reece. Hello, Panmaster. What's up, Panmaster? I'm not a tree, man. Come on. All right, once we get to 1,000 playbacks, I'll do something. I don't know what I'll do. Also, I don't know why I'm telling you guys that, because you can't really affect that. So. But anyway. I don't know. Someone Photoshop Reece on a tree. Do it. Do it. I miss when you guys used to send fan art of not the monsters. I miss the days before Monster Tower. Because now it's just Monster Tower fan art, but that's not what we want. That is what I want, but, you know. That is, you know, it's whatever. Okay, do you guys have any more questions? Please make sure to ping me if you have questions. I'm trying to finish this thing. I think this works, actually. This type of shading, I think, is fine. I'm going to try to not enclose it on the off side. I think that looks even better, so. This guy's looking like a goddamn Chad, man. Chad. He's so buff. So big. So built. Prominent. Sexy. Okay. For this tail. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me offset these colors. So boom, baby. I think that's fine for now. Oof, I got my answer. Wait, hold on. What's going on? What is 34,710 times 2? Dude, you got this, man. Reece bad at math confirmed. Wait, what? I didn't even answer it. I didn't even answer it. I don't know. I can't think right now, man. You could do that on your own time. Screw you. Whoever said I'm bad at math. It's like my best subject in school. So if I'm bad at math, then uh-oh. That's not good. I actually don't know what my best subject was. I think math. Actually, no. I goofed off in a lot of math classes. I think that my best mark in high school was physics. I got a 94 in physics. So I think so. English was my worst. You guys already know that. I don't know how to speak the language. I think my teachers would hear me talk and they'd be like, say real world. And I'd be like, blah, 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 blah. They don't know how to speak and they just fail me. You don't know the English language. Okay, let's close this. We don't need this. Let's expand this. You guys like my background? It's pretty cool. Yeah, I think math and physics were my best. And then science, but science there was a lot of memorizing and I can't do that, so that was also bad. Well, not bad, but biology sucks. If you guys are taking I have a lot of for some reason a lot of my friends are in kin for no reason. I don't know. Everyone just likes kin, I guess. But I hate it. I think it's stupid. I don't like it. But yeah. Do you know how to make 3D games? I did for 30 days, and now I don't. I've made like 2 or 3 3D games in my life. I don't know. Maybe after Monster Tower. Here's the goal. I want to make Monster Tower 3D in Unreal Engine at some point in like a couple years. But right now I like pixel art, I like drawing, and I like getting my skills up to standard. I feel like I'm not up to standard yet, so I would like to continue doing pixel art until I feel confident in it. And then after that, maybe I can start doing more 3D games and stuff, but everyone loves the 3D games, eh? No one cares about 2D games anymore. It's like, you can make a game in 3D? Wow. They're both really cool skills though. No shade. I just don't have the patience right now. I'm sorry, chat. I'll be Heart Beast. What are you talking about, Heart Beast? What happened? Godot is mostly for 2D. Yes, it can do 3D though. Yes. How do small feet? Wait, what? Man, when you guys, Mickey, man, Mickey, how do small SMOL foots hold dat buff bod? Oh, okay. I just gotta finish the word and then I can read it. Because he's, I don't know, he's strong, man. He's got small legs, but he's strong. He's tough. But actually, though, they do look like boots. Like 100%. Good reference, man. Because they are definitely looking like boots. I know they're really weird, but I don't know why. I kind of like them like this. It just makes me feel happy looking at these feet. They're kind of off, but it's all right. It's all right. Guys, I actually really like this monster. It's like super different, very weird. It's, you know, a smaller creature, and there's not a lot to it, but I really like it, actually. It speaks to me differently than most of the other monsters. Just this tail is kind of weird, but it's all right. Okay, let's do a fusion then. Before we end today's stream, let's do a fusion for this guy. I actually like that. I like that final piece to the puzzle. Actually, no, it looks kind of weird. I'll tell you what, I'll do something like this on a fusion for the monster. Actually, no, I like that. Okay, let's keep that. If I don't keep it, it's only because I'll do it on a different fusion, and maybe make it like a reverse turkey goblet. Have like a thing on the top instead of the thing at the bottom. You know? Okay, there you go. Add some sick art to your art channel on DC. Did you add something sick to my channel? Let's see. Yo, Nova is actually impressing me, man. Nova is actually really impressing me. Watch this, guys. Nova is one of our mods on the server, and he actually did a great job, man. Like, that is crazy. He's been working at this for quite a while now. I don't know how long, and I don't know how consistent, but it's looking really good, man. But yeah, so guys, I always look at all your stuff, at least everything that I can. Who did this? Who did this? Who did this? Come on, man. What the hell? One of my donation gang too. It's not even like one of my donation gang photoshopped me onto a tree. Thanks, man. Everyone used to call me broccoli because my hair looks like a broccoli. And I think this is completely unrelated. I think somebody just accidentally added a T to my name, but good job, guys. You, with every stream, you guys, this is crazy. Yeah, thanks for all the, yeah, trees. T, Reece, yeah. Good job, man. Very creative. Very creative. Please make an Egyptian fusion for the toucan. I don't know if I'll be able to on stream, but I'll do a fusion. So I wanted to do... Alright, we'll try something out, alright? We'll try something out. Let's bring back the toucan reference. Let's bring it back. Okay. Let's bring it back. And Reece was then born. Yes, exactly. Coding Worm, what's up, man? You're new here? Forever Limbo. Thank you for all the new subs. Thank you for all the new people on the Discord channel. And hopefully thank you to all the new wish lists that we got today. Guys, if you're just joining in, first link in the description, Monster Tribe. Steam wishlist. If we get a lot of wish lists, we actually Steam promotes our game on launch day. So even if you're not like 100% gonna buy the game, please wishlist. It would mean a lot to us and help us for our launch. It also just helps. It's like the YouTube algorithm thing, you know? It's like how if you like the video, gets it to more people. Same kind of thing, but with wishlisting and Steam, and I mean, that's a lot more money, right? Like that's a big thing. Getting 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 more people to see the game, that can result in a lot more help. So what if we design it based on Toucan Sam? You know what? I've always been a huge fan of cereal, you know, and this is it. This is one of the guys. This is one of the dudes, you know. So we'll keep this in mind. But I really like that thing. Toucan Sam, boys. Good lesson, I say. Our teaching is biased. Lesson 1. Wait, hold on. I can't read the full messages. Okay, there we go. What are you guys saying? Lesson 1, Treese Pog. Lesson 2, Wishlist Monster Tribe on Discord. Not on Discord, on Steam. Panmaster. Make a fusion where the beak is rainbow colored. You mean like Toucan Sam? Yes, sir. What type / class is this? I have no idea. I don't think it has a type or a class. It's just a thing. Oh my god. How long has he been working on this? A long time. Pixelart on point. Thanks, man. When I stream, I take forever to draw anything. So, yes. We've been doing this for a long time, but I would say roughly I usually take 30 to 45 minutes making a monster, like making a new monster. But when I stream, that time turns from 30 minutes to like 2 hours. So I think we've actually been drawing this thing for over an hour now. And it's a pretty simple design. So man, I love this one, man. I love this one. The one that I drew yesterday. I think it's so clean. Like, it's got a hook-tail fusion. How would you not put this on your team? You know what I mean? I don't know, guys. I feel like this would be on my team. Okay. I think this version actually looks better. I know I was talking about don't overcomplicate things, but I do think this looks better. It looks like it has kind of like a puff under its eye. And like you see more fur. Like, not fur or whatever. You guys are making fun of me earlier. More feathers, but you know what I mean. Animal component things. So we're going to keep this version. And I'm just going to... First, I'll just stick with a color swap. So what colors do you want to see? Do you guys want me to do Toucan Sam? It's like kind of inappropriate for like an official game, but if you really want it to happen... The games have shiny monsters. Franz, are you new here? I think Franz is new here. Guys, welcome, Franz. At this point in the streams, when viewers start to die off and, you know, YouTube stops recommending. Also, thank you for over 1,000 playbacks. Thank you for everyone for clicking on this video. I appreciate it. Oh, I actually can't do the Pharaoh Toucan, man. Because I already did an Egyptian version of the other guy. So we got to do something different. Like maybe we could do it. Maybe. But that would require me to change the other fusion and then, you know, I already liked the other fusion, so not sure that's how the game works, Panmaster. And also add the dream team. Wait, hold on. Please make humans who can fight with magic and also add the dream team. Yeah. Okay, now I see what you're saying. No, I don't think I can do that. But yeah, that would be pretty inhumane, I think. Adding random like mages and sorcerers. Solid idea. Solid. But you know how it is. feel like we might have some people on our backs. Actually, I guess a lot of games have like humans that fight monsters, so I guess not really. But nah, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. Sorry, what was your question? The beak looks like it ripped off an alligator and then glued onto its face. Yeah, yo, literally. I love that. I love that. I love this like white thing. Actually, if you guys have watched, and then I will get back to your question, Franz. Actually, I'll answer that really quick because it's a very simple question. Does the game have shiny monsters? Technically not, but the game does have fusions, so you can fuse your monsters so that they can look different and also have different playstyles. It's pretty cool. At least I think so. So yes, I hope that answers your question, Fran. Just she or he or whatever. They are probably gone already, but if you're still watching, yes, that is how we do different cosmetics. Is they actually like change the way that the monsters fight and stuff. Their typing and stuff. And moves. He was a pretty cool guy. Oh, you're talking about Dream as in like, I don't really follow like big YouTubers and stuff, to be honest. I didn't really know what you're talking about. I know of Dream, but I don't really follow that stuff. I think the only YouTubers that I watch are fitness YouTubers and game dev YouTubers. I don't watch like PewDiePie and stuff. I saw the Mr. Beast video though. I think he just put out a video and it's like, I honestly like, I think he's such a genuine guy, man. It's actually crazy. Danny, he got Mr. Beast and a bunch of them to like play the Danny Among Us clone that he made. That was like, that's crazy, man. I was like, dude, that is awesome. I'm so proud of you. But no, I don't like that. Okay, no, take that off. Take that off. But yeah, he's like such a good guy, I think. Like, he gave I don't know, something like $500,000 into food or something. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so I'm not following too much with what's happening on the platform. I just watch random things from time to time. Jaron, what's up? How you doing? Send you an image where you can see how to add roles. Yeah, that's true. I do need somebody to help. I'll just get one of my mods to do it, because I do not know how to do that stuff. So I'll ask somebody else. How about the fire wings for a fusion? Yeah, I just have been doing a lot of fire fusions, so I got to diversify. I gotta diversify. Is this game pixel perfect? What do you mean? What do you mean by that? Is this game pixel perfect? I'm so on time. Yeah, you're super late. Rosa Frost is super late, guys. Damn. Reptile fusion. That would be so impossibly hard. To change this thing from a feathered creature to a scaled thing? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Maybe. Probably not, though. I try to stick close to home. Okay, let's first do the color palette swap. So hold on. First, let's darken these a little bit. And make a lighter piece of the feet. Solid. Okay. It's all good. It's all good, Rosa. It's all good. I have a good reason. Don't worry about it. You don't need a reason. I stream twice a week, so, you know, if you don't catch one, it's okay. If you come late, I still appreciate you. You're still here. The image shows where you need to click to add them. Yeah. We have that. We have that in the roles function. I just don't have a roles function for what do you call it? I don't know. Anyway. Okay, let's add that back. And then we can actually do the fusion. I'm getting so distracted. Last thing. Okay, there we go. No, I think that's better. So let's just add a pixel there, and we are good. Okay, now we can just swap some colors. All right. So how many colors do we have? We have three main colors. Usually I only stick with 2. This guy has 3 main color palettes. So for the base, first let's think what type. So I'm thinking Mystic type for this thing, because I think that makes sense. I think it looks a little bit more what's the word? I don't know, like dreamy, dark kind of thing. I don't know. I think that makes sense. So we'll stick with that. And then the class, if you guys don't know how the game works, basically every creature has an element and a class. So element, I think, is the Mystic type, which is kind of like psychic, dark, ghost, kind of mixed together. If you're referring to something like Pokemon. Okay. Mystic, air type. Yeah, true. I guess air also makes sense. I mean, it could be an air. I feel like we don't have a lot of air types, to be honest. Nah, let's do Mystic. It's a lot darker theme. So let's do Mystic type. And no idea what kind of class this would be. I don't know. Sorcerer? Ranger? This could be a Ranger. I don't really want to do like Assassin because I don't know. I think it'd be a Mystic Ranger. I think that's the vibe we're going with. Ranger or Assassin? Yeah. Yeah, I agree, man. I think Ranger is what we're gonna go with. So I also think these feet are weird, so I might have to change that. I don't like the... Oh, actually, that's better. I just wanted it to be more front-facing, and I think that just, like, fixed our issues. So, damn. Imagine actually getting work done on stream. Imagine. Okay. So, Mystic Ranger is the base. So, I feel like we don't have a lot of cyber fusions. We don't have a lot of air fusions. We don't have a lot of mystic fusions, but that's already a thing. So maybe we can do nature. I feel like I need a theme first. So let's do what we're gonna do before and add this like top beak thing. The double beaked beak. A jig. I have no idea what this thing is supposed to be, but I saw it on a bird when we were looking at references earlier, so. Bang, baby. Boom. Solid. Just that easy. Just that easy. It should be the actual size of a toucan. What's the actual size of a toucan? Okay. I'm a little bit of an issue here. I don't know how to connect the piece to the thing. Sure. Let's just do that, I guess. This looks a little bit weird. Okay, so now let's shade this thing. So let's go contiguous mode and start shading. Honestly, I think that's it. But I don't like doing the single dot one, so I think this is better. It looks like a faux hawk or something. I don't know. But these colors won't actually match the eye color, so we'll be good there. Don't worry. I think we're going to change the eye, though, for this one. And have it just not have this darkness. Like that. Free up some of the space. Sorry, chat. I don't know what's happening with you guys. I was in focus mode. I can't wait. I can't when it takes up half the chat. What takes up half the chat? I don't know what takes up half the chat. Okay, but look at that. Bang. Perfect. Can you make a water one with an ice beacon stuff? Yes, I can do that. We can do that for this one if you want. Sure. Let's do a water one. Well, ice and snow and stuff is technically water and air. So both types have, like, there's some overlap, you know, with certain like themes and stuff. So I don't know if it'll be a water type or an air type. I'll just have to look back and kind of see. But yeah, so, okay. I like this thing, this front thing. Oh, that's even better. Okay, wait. Nope. All right. Guys, last round of questions because we will be wrapping up soon. So if you have any more questions, put them in the chat. But yeah, we can do the water thing. Sure. I don't know how, but watch these skills. Watch these skills of grabbing colors and then changing them. Oh god. Bang. Beautiful. And then this thing, I think. Well, first of all, this looks kind of out of place. I'll see if we need to do any adjustments. Make him Egyptian, please. I'm sorry, man. We already have an Egyptian bird. So I apologize. How long is this in development? I think Q4 might be too optimistic. Only time will tell. But I would say we're probably like, I don't know, a third. It's hard to tell. I think that we can still do it for the end of the year. But I couldn't really tell you how far in development we are because the first like 3 months of development was me making the game by myself. So it's like, you know, things change. And then also like I feel like I'm more serious about things now. So it's hard to tell really, but I don't know. I think we're focused on the end goal and working at it. So but if there are delays, I will obviously let you guys know. Games get delayed sometimes. That happens, so. I'll make sure to let you guys know if there's any kind of like, you know, huge problems or something that come up and, you know, we need to set back. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. So I'm gonna actually extend the lining since it's darker, it's harder to see. So I'm gonna extend the lighting to be twice as thick. And maybe do that same thing on this. I know there's going to be a lot of Danny thick jokes. I'm already expecting those, but it's a word, guys. Dang, baby. Sexy as ever. I don't like this piece though. That's a lot. That's a lot of beak. It's a lot of beak. Okay. Now let's start changing the base color. Oh, and we can actually make this brighter too. Leonard, you're famous. You're famous. Huge problems like Bargy implementation being too much. That's true. Thanks. Yeah, man. That is true. Implementing the Bargy monster into the game would take a lot of focus and determination, which is why it's the 100K stretch goal. So if you guys do want to make it happen, you know, I think that's why they invented credit cards, right? Is to get Bargy into the game. So, you know, love the content. Keep it up. Thanks so much, Target Hunter. I appreciate it. Thanks for jumping in the stream and saying that. It means a lot. It means a lot. Almost at an end. Yes, we are almost done the stream. So guys, make sure to stick through if you can. My back is hurting because I'm not in my original spot, so my body is breaking. It's breaking down. Can you make fire wings for another fusion? We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. I think so. I think that'd be a very interesting design. But I do have a fire bird already. But I guess they're different designs, so it doesn't really matter. Like, yeah, I don't know. But we really got to stop doing birds, man. Next time I ask you guys on stream, if I see somebody saying bird, and I know I'm going to see 1,000 people saying bird now because I said not to say bird, but if I see somebody say draw a bird for the next monster, I'll be pissed. Because we've been trying too many bird monsters. And I want unique stuff. Like, we still haven't covered, there's so many things that we haven't covered yet. Like, I don't think we have a single dinosaur creature in the game. And I love dinosaurs. So I at least want like 5 or maybe we could just do a line, like a line. So like each element in class is associated to a different dinosaur. I don't know. Maybe all the legendary creatures are dinosaurs. I don't know. We'll see. Probably not. I think I want to do something more unique than that, but you know what I mean. We'll do something fun. Okay. So let's change the base. So what do we want the base color to be? Guys, please type in primary and then say whatever color you want. So silver probably won't look good. I don't think that, like, I feel like in practice, but yeah, you guys can say P silver and then S something, but try to type that in one. I sent it in 2 separate chats by accident, but try to type that in one. So the S is going to be the belly. So P is the primary color of this feather color, and then S is going to be the belly color. So yes, purple orange. That's basically exactly what we have. Who said that? Mickey OZ, my guy. Good job. You almost created a clone of what we have. Jonathan Joestar, P Bargy, S bar G. Nice. Nice. White and orange. Yeah, I feel like what I was going to say is in practice, I feel like white is a cool color. But when doing pixel art, white is a pretty shit color. Watch this. It's just too bright, but I mean, maybe I could be wrong here. Maybe we could actually make something nice. Definitely not. It's because I always use my shading as kind of like the dark, like the outline stuff, and then it ends up just looking like poop, you know? So we might have to stick with a little bit of a lighter dark color. And then, but hold on. Maybe we can still pull a W from this. I don't know, like, to be honest, I don't know. Looks kind of off to me. You know what I mean? But we'll see. What is everyone saying? P blue, S green. Man. Huh. Gerwit. Interesting. Gray, silver. Gray, silver. So what if we darken this? We just darken the whole thing. Maybe even more. What if we darken it like that? And then somebody said silver belly. So for now, I'll just use these colors and then adjust. This could be cool though. I think this could be cool if we do like bright colors. Like that's actually really interesting. It's just hard to use white as like the main primary color, like for like furs and feathers and skin tones and stuff. I think that looks cool though, actually. The only thing I don't like is this piece. So I think we can, oh my god. I think we can fix it though. By extending out these colors here. Hold on, let me try to figure this out. Maybe something more like that could be interesting. I think there's, again, too much going on. So let's try to remove and fix. Remove and fix, baby. Oh, God. It looks so ugly now. Sorry, guys. I think I broke it. Okay. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back. God. When in doubt, dither. And then when that looks bad, remove it. Okay. That's not too bad. Might be a little bit too much going on, but not too bad. Okay, cool. Thanks, guys. I'm glad you think it's cool. Thank you for the support, guys. Yes, maybe we should give him shades. Maybe we should give him shades. You've seen KFC Bird. Now get ready for Fortnite Ninja Bird. Damn it, man. Don't ruin the design. Why did you say that? Now I don't like it. Damn it. I try to give you guys nice things, and here I am. A fool. Fortnite has too much RNG, a shitty fan base, and literal respect hide behind microtransaction. You think so? I don't know. I was never really a huge fan of the game, but I don't really care for it either way. I don't know. It's like, it's interesting. It's just not really my typical thing. I don't know. I'm like not great at shooters, so add on top of that a Minecraft mechanic, and like, whoa. It's like, whoa. It's a lot. Okay. I think this is it. I think this is it. Can you try these? No eyes and ice belly. I actually really like the belly, but sure, I will try it. I do really like the belly though, so. Oh damn, that actually looks good, man. Damn. Okay. All right. What do you guys like better? So, do you guys like white or ice better? Or like white or blue better? Do you guys like white or blue better? Personally, I think they both look friggin' fire. I actually don't even know which one looks better. I think I like this one better just because it gives a little bit more color. And even though it's actually subtracting color, but it gives it more like differentiation. Yeah, I like the white too. Come on. It's pretty even, but I'm fine. You know what? My vote counts as 3 votes, so I'm gonna say I like the white. But thank you for the suggestion because that actually did look really cool. But yeah, I do agree. I think it's a little bit too much blue. I think this looks nicer. It looks cleaner. The design looks cleaner. And I think we can actually add some of this lighter color too. So I'm gonna do that. Leave it as is. It's perfect. Yes, I know. Thank you, man. I think this is good. I think this is a nice finishing look. Oh, I'm still gonna play around with this. Nope. Bring it back, boys. Okay. So somebody said no eyes, so we're gonna try no eyes. I'm not a huge fan of this no eye look. I just feel like it doesn't suit this specific monster. I'm all for no eyes because I do that in half my monsters, but for this specific one, I don't think it works too well. I don't know. I mean, I think I'm cool with this. We could try like a red eye or something, but this is gonna look kind of weird. Desaturate it, maybe. Actually, this isn't bad. I kind of rate that. I'm not gonna lie. Bright white eyes. Okay. So what do we like? Yeah. What kind of eyes do you guys want to see? This is the final thing of the day. I think I love white eyes. I love the white 1 pixel eye things, but I think that it at least to me, it kind of looks like a very neutral eye, which is weird because it's just changing the color. But for some reason, whenever I use a white eye, it looks very neutral faced. And I think that if we use a colored eye, it makes it a little bit more personal. I do white eyes on a lot of my creatures. I think this guy does. Yeah, this guy has a white eye. But I think for this one, red might be interesting, or maybe like a green. I think green might not stand out enough though. Actually, that stands out a lot. So do you guys like red, white, yellow, green? I'm not going to do blue because there's too much blue going on. Actually, that's like not too bad. Okay, so blue, red, yellow, green, or white. What do you guys think? And then we'll do final round of questions, and I will be signing off because we've been streaming for a little while now. So yeah, I think colored eyes gives a bit more personality somehow. Yeah, I agree. Anything other than white? No eyes, gouge them. Wow, you're evil. White, yellow, green or yellow. Yellow would look good probably. I had yellow at first. I just don't really want to do yellow because this one already has yellow. And I feel like this is like, I like this. I like this color scheme because it sticks with the belly, and you know, if I were to do like a completely different eye on this one, then you know, it just creates too much going on in the drawing. So I like to stick with the yellow for that. So somebody said green, maybe green. I don't know. This looks again like too much going on. I stopped doing pixel art for a bit, and my skills have been ist. My skills have been ist. Any advice on how I get back into it? Dude, I literally struggle with this when I take a break from pixel art, when I don't take a break. So I would honestly just say, my personal experience, you have good days, you have bad days. I think that like, I've seen your drawings and I think that you're good. So like, I would say, you know, sometimes you just can't draw certain things. And that's another thing is like, there are a lot of things that I just can't draw. Like, and that's why it's hard for me to take your suggestions all the time, because there are certain things that I just can't draw. Like, I'm not very good at humanoid like things. I'm not very good at anything. I don't know. I just have like certain things that I guess I can like kind of draw, but a lot of things are just like, it doesn't work in my brain. It doesn't really make sense. So yeah, like once you find those things that you can't do, just take those head on and start doing them over and over and over and over. Like once I finished this game, Monster Tower was kind of taking my strengths. I feel like I love drawing monsters, so it's very fun for me. But yeah, like if you have that time where you're not like making a game currently and you're just kind of chilling, tackle those head on and just draw those things that you're bad at over and over and over. But anyway, hope you're doing well. We need to speak soon. Bargy, yeah, Bargy, you were kind of a meme in the stream earlier. I showed them the Bargy monster and everyone was freaking out. So white, cyan, or purple. I mean, purple could be interesting too, I guess. Yeah, I actually do like the idea of purple, because maybe not as like, hold up. I do like that actually. I like that. Yeah, you're kind of a meme on the stream, man. We had a lot of people chanting your name, so add my monster into the game petition. I am 100k. Bargy gets put in the game, like dead ass, 100%. Because at that point, I don't really care about making money on the game. No, I'm kidding. I think it would be really funny though. So yeah. If somehow the Kickstarter raises over $100,000, I'll be putting Bargy in the game. The Bargy monster, not Bargy the YouTuber. They just have the same name. There's no coincidence there, you know. It's just how it is. I think it's cute. I think it's well drawn, and you know, it's whatever. If not, add a picture of add me in a picture at least. Yeah, that's true. I'll just put your face on the battle screen and call it a day. The best monster of Monster Tower has arrived. Bargy. Yeah, pretty much. Anyway, I do like this. I think that I'm just going to desaturate it a little bit and brighten it. Maybe that was a bit too much. But yeah, I actually like the purple eye. If I change it, sorry, but for now, I really like it. Just gonna see if I can do anything with like adding this. Nah. That's too much. We keep it simple. Keep it simple and clean. Okay, cool. Any more questions before we end the stream? Getting pretty hungry and tired. I haven't really had anything to eat, really, so. You know how these streams go. We stream for 2 to 3 hours. And we do this Thursdays and Saturdays, and then I upload videos on Tuesdays. Guys, please subscribe for this video coming out on Tuesday. Like, hit the bell so you can watch it immediately, because I will not be premiering it, and I'm very excited about this video. So, goodbye, my friend. Goodbye. Ask for likes? Nah, it's fine. We're ending the stream. We are ending the stream. It's all good. What's the topic of that video? Do I want to tell you guys? No, I want it to be a surprise. Okay, whatever. Okay, fine. For the few, like, yeah, for the remainder. It's on Determination, and I am collaborating with another YouTuber, and we're doing a double upload, and I'll keep it at that. Very excited. You guys should be excited too. That's all I'm gonna say. Everyone starts chanting his name again. Yeah, literally. Everyone's praising the Bargy. Not the human being, the monster. The human being's a little, you know what I mean? He's like, he's alright. I'm trying to see if I can do anything. Give this guy like friggin' iron boots. Iron boot talons. It's pretty sick. Damn, look at that. That's clean. Wow. Wow. Actually really like that. We're not going to do the exact same thing, but I'm going to do like where on this one I need to do the same foot placement. So I mean, maybe we could add the talon. Nah, it's fine. Let's keep it like that for this one. And then this one, boom. It's kind of sick. Okay. Okay, are we done? MC fusions? What is that? Minecraft fusions? I don't know, man. When the monster dies, do you lose them forever? Nah, well, on your team, yes. But they'll still be in your database. So you can still... I explained it in the last devlog, how the thing works. So if you guys haven't seen the last devlog, watch it and you'll figure out a little bit more into how the creature thing works. I don't know. I think I explained it last devlog. At the end of it or something. I don't know. Can't remember. Somewhere in there. Damon was doing a collab too with someone. Do I see a connection here? Not with Damon. Somebody else. But yeah. It's not Bargy. It's not Damon. Bargy monster is literally best monster. I've been reduced to nothing by a meme at this point. Also, I'll be streaming later if you want to stop by. I saw that you were streaming earlier. I was going to join, but I was streaming. So, sorry I couldn't join, but I'll definitely join if you're still streaming. I like to come on your stream if you're down. I'd love to talk to you and your stream. I love doing stuff like that. It's just fun. And then, you know, only if you want to, though. Anyway, guys, I think that's it. Noru Games, what's up? How you doing? Me and Polly are doing a challenge at the moment. He's swapping. Oh yeah, is that what it is? Is swapping in viewers? So I took a break. Oh, okay. I see. Is he streaming right now? Is he streaming on Twitch or on YouTube? I'll do that right after the stream. I'll check him out.
But yeah, what's going on there? Are you ending the stream when I joined? Yes, pretty much. Yes, it's exactly what I'm doing. I'm smiting you. Anyway, guys. Oh, main character. Yes, the main character has a bunch of different costumes that they can have. If that's what you're talking about. Yes. Yes. But you can't play with them in battle. You can't use the main protagonist in battle. If that's what you're asking. Okay. All right, guys. Well, it's been fun. It's been fun. I'll talk to you guys again soon. We do these on Thursdays and Saturdays, and I make videos on Tuesdays. Wishlist Monster Tower, or fuck. Wishlist Monster Tribe, please, if you haven't. It would mean a lot. Goodbye, very hungry. Yeah, me too. Thanks, Late Gang. Thanks, people, for staying. This is the unprofessional part of the stream. This is a Pog stream. Thanks, man. Isn't that banned? Sorry. Forget English. Isn't that banned? Yeah, now I'm just gonna sit here and read your comments. Watch you guys type. I probably shouldn't because this is gonna seem so weird for people just joining in randomly, but it's whatever. Yeah, Pog is banned. Yeah, that's... wow. I'm really unlucky. I'm so sorry, man. I'm sorry you joined so late. Just got here. I'm sorry for all the new people just joining in. But, you know, we streamed for, I think, like 2.5 hours today. I always go for between 2 and 3 hours. After 3 hours, my brain is mush and a lot of people start leaving. I mean, people start leaving after like the hour mark, but you know what I mean. Okay, guys, it's been fun. Rib Frog, sorry, man. Hope everyone has a good day, and watch out for the video on Tuesday. Let's get that video to over 10K views, please. In the first 10 seconds that it comes out. Okay, bye, guys.